Hello, this is RV Vagabond Jerry, and today I'm going to show you around Silver Springs State Park. And they have a massive spring here which creates a river called the Silver River, and there is some beautiful scenery around the river. And they also give glass bottom boat tours, which I'm also going to do. So I'm going to show you around the place and then video the glass bottom boat tour as well. So come along with me. The glass bottom boat tour goes out every 30 minutes. You don't need a reservation, you just get a ticket and wait in line for the next boat. And a lot of people like to go kayaking here. They have quite a few of these glass bottom boats. I think this is mine coming in right there. Or if you don't kayak, you can go canoeing.
With all blues, those are shafts. We'll round up some of those shafts. We have some nice bass in here. You'll get a good look. Sometimes it's the spring where the creature from the Black Lagoon was filmed. Had a man on the boat yesterday, thought he saw the creature. It was a shadow in the glass. We'll round up some of those fish. There's the turtles on the bottom. All the good girls. Nice bluegills. Hang on the river, the abyss, 81 feet. Close by the glass below. The water here, 15 feet. The Elvis kitchen. The water purifies itself through that line rock. With a good look.
She swams out when the water was coming out. Pretty cool.
Back in the channel, all the way to tell which way that water is going. Eel brand. 5 miles per hour. Over 400 years old. Still a long piece of rock. That rock was like the backbone of a dinosaur. You follow the glass as I move, that's your rock. Look just like the backbone of a dinosaur. Years ago, we thought it was.
It's swirling.
Yep.
See land green.
Oh yeah, I just look at that.
Oh yes, yeah.
You see it there now?
Yeah.
Look beyond. There's a gate out front to your right, swimming way up front to your right to that tree. I've up and seen the boy leaving.
Yeah, there's a boat there.
So close to your right of that log, you'll see a rowboat. Water gets its name from the Spanish. Water means land of flowers.
I'm not sure. I could panic if you're telling.
And it's out of Jacksonville, Florida. finally got away. Degrees. Starting Robert Cotton, Bill Cosby. Good look at those statues. They also used one in Moonraker with James Bond. James Bond also filmed Melville said Melville again. Everyone see the statues. Give another look. In 1962, and he left them here after they made the movies.
Right beside the glass bottom boat dock there is a walking trail along the shore here. Some picnic tables, and I'm going to go down the trail here. Got some paddle boarders out here too. Nice. This tree has fallen into the river. Here's some info about the place. I wonder how this tree got slanted like that.
Excuse me.
Yep, it definitely looks live to me. Wow. This they call the Sea Hut Deck. It's a nice outlook onto the river. What is she doing? With her cell phone. I don't know if I'd want to take my cell phone standing up on the river. Or my video camera. I remember seeing a few of these Sea Hunt shows. 1961 was the latest. Wow, that was a long time ago. Here you can pretend like you're Lloyd Bridges.
What's the matter?
I wasn't even thinking about it. There's some fish here that are just like they're sleeping. Sleeping and floating. Barely moving even their fins.
Nope, it's not gonna work. Okay. Good try, though.
Black Bear Pavilion, all I see is people. Well, this was a disappointing pavilion. No black bears at all around. That's a stage right there, and they call this the Twin Oaks Mansion Event Center, where I guess they put on programs at some times. I think this glass bottom boat has gotten way off track. They're using it as a food boat, but there is nothing in it. Well, it could be set up. I guess they just use this for when they do have events. Here's another area they call Ross Island. Here's another little pavilion where they put on some kind of shows at some time. Probably in the summer when they get a lot more people here. You can see a little bit of the river there. A couple kayakers. It's a nice backdrop. They have really nice boardwalks here. Don't get much of a view of the river though from this island walkway. But it's a nice view and good shade from the trees.
Alright guys, look over. Look over to me, I'm taking a picture. Aaron.
This is under the bridge that goes out to the island. More kayakers. That looks like fun.
This is called Silver River.
Very lovely place they have here. Here's a map of the place, and this gray is paved or boardwalk trails, and if you want to go further, this green trail grows into the grass. It's like a grassy trail. And if you kayak or canoe, it has this trail here that you go on with your kayaks and around as a loop tour. Well, that's been kind of fun. Something to do for a half a day or a day here in Ocala, Florida. Good day, folks.